You can restart anytime you want. It is not too late. Believe me, my friends. You can start again. And I mean now. A lot of people feel stuck because they think they missed out their moment, but life doesn't work like that. You can always change direction. You can change new direction and you can make new decisions. Always. You can also start afresh anytime you want, no matter where you are. Doesn't matter. You can start afresh. What matters is not where you have been. It is what you choose to do next. That's what matters. One decision, one little step can shift everything in a moment, in a second, in a week, or even in a month. Remember, you are not stuck. You just need to start again. You just haven't started again yet. And that's what you need to do. Start again. And you can do that anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are, no matter what time of the year, you can start again. Have you feel like you've been stuck lately? If so, my friends, please comment in the comment section. Reset